Welcome to Beautyistic. If you've ever found yourself with bruises that seem to linger longer than you'd like, today's review might just be the game changer you need. We're talking about Dermend Arnica Bruise Cream with vitamin K, a product designed to help heal and rejuvenate bruised skin. But does it really work? Or is it just another moisturizer with a fancy name? Let's dive in. Dermend Arnica Bruise Cream is specifically formulated to target bruises, helping to restore and repair your skin's natural barrier. This rich, concentrated cream combines natural ingredients with key vitamins to help rejuvenate the skin while providing moisture. The formula is gentle enough for daily use, thanks to its light, non-greasy texture that absorbs easily without leaving a heavy residue. It's recommended by dermatologists to apply twice a day to see the best results. When I first started using Dermend Arnica Bruise Cream, I was impressed with how quickly it absorbed into my skin. The cream doesn't sit on the surface or leave a greasy finish, which makes it great for daily use, especially if you have bruises on areas that get a lot of movement, like your legs or arms. I applied it in the morning and before bed, massaging it gently into the bruised areas, and within a few days, I started noticing a difference in the color and overall appearance of the bruises. In terms of performance, it worked exactly as expected. This isn't a quick fix product that makes your bruises disappear overnight, but it definitely helps speed up the healing process. The vitamin K is the star ingredient here, which is known for helping to break down blood that's pooled under the skin, making the bruises fade faster. The addition of arnica is great for soothing and reducing swelling, providing a calming effect to irritated skin. Now let's talk about the pros and cons. The biggest pro for me was how lightweight the cream feels. It spreads easily and absorbs quickly, so you're not left with any sticky residue, making it comfortable to wear throughout the day. The soothing properties of the arnica and vitamin K definitely help speed up healing. And the natural ingredients were a bonus for anyone concerned about putting harsh chemicals on their skin. However, one small con I noticed is that if you apply too much product, it can leave a slightly tacky feeling for a short time before it fully absorbs. While this isn't a huge issue, it's something to be mindful of. Also, if you're expecting a rapid transformation, like waking up with your bruise completely gone, that's not realistic. This is more of a gradual healing process, so patience is key. As for value, the price is on par with other high-quality skincare products, especially considering it's dermatologist recommended. Given its natural ingredients and the fact that it tackles both the cosmetic aspect of bruising and skin repair, I'd say it's worth the investment if you deal with bruising frequently or have sensitive skin. When comparing Dermend Arnica Bruise Cream to other similar products, it stands out for its use of natural ingredients and its lightweight, non-greasy formula. While there are other arnica-based creams out there, Dermend feels a bit more refined with its vitamin-packed formula, which adds an extra layer of skincare beyond just healing bruises. In terms of build quality, the packaging is simple but functional, nothing extravagant, but it keeps the product well preserved and easy to apply. The 4.5 size should last a while, especially since you only need a small amount each time. If you're looking for a more affordable alternative, there are a few options, though they might not have the same combination of ingredients. Some arnica creams can be found at a lower price point, but they may not offer the same level of hydration or soothing properties as Dermend. Overall, Dermend Arnica Bruise Cream with vitamin K is a solid choice if you're looking for a natural solution to accelerate the healing of bruises. It works well, feels great on the skin, and provides noticeable results over time. I'd recommend this to anyone dealing with frequent bruising or anyone looking for a reliable, dermatologist-recommended product to add to their skincare routine. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you for watching, and if you've used Dermend Arnica Bruise Cream, drop a comment below. Let us know how it worked for you. Thanks for tuning in. And until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.